Hi, I'm Kim. I'm with 626 Ohana, California, and today I'm opening a Magic Key gift that we got. This was a special offer for Disneyland. So basically what happened was they got away from what they call the annual pass program and they switched over to what's called Magic Key. So it officially went on sale August 25th, and the members guests who purchased within the first 66 days, so that was up to Halloween, were able to get this little gift box as a thank you gift and welcome back. So that's kind of cool. Oh, and they did the 66 days because of 66th anniversary this year. So I'm excited. This is kind of like a fun little extra, and I guess we're inaugural members, so that's kind of fun. So let's see. First thing. Okay, so you get a little. Looks like a pin, and it says established in 2021 because it just came up this year. And you get this nice little Mickey shaped key that says Magic Key. That's cute. I always love pins. Next, ooh, a lanyard. So pin lanyard, it says Magic Key in Disneyland. Now of course this was all free. This is the same thing. Like, we didn't pay extra for it, except for our Magic Key, but of course, you know, that comes at quite a pretty penny, but this is what it was. And there's, ooh, a little button, Magic Key. Put that on a backpack, not my lunch flies, but. So Hayden, Brad, and I each got one of these. Okay, so we have something called Magic Key Disneyland, You're Invited. Disney Movie Insiders, where fans become insiders. As a new Magic Key holder, you can enter this unique code at DisneyMovieInsiders.com, Magic Key, for 2,000 points to redeem for great rewards. That's enough points to redeem amazing rewards like those showcased here. So there looks like there was a Star Wars, maybe a Blu-ray, some kind of Pop Funko, and something with Black Widow. I'll check that out. Ooh, and a nice, is this a map? Disneyland. I think this is supposed to be all the original rides when Disneyland opened. No, it wasn't, because Toontown's on here. So it's just kind of a fun little map you could frame. Nice little piece of artwork. We'll put it down for you guys to see. It's all in purple. Does it include Batu? Yeah, Batu's on there. Galaxy's Edge. And, oh, what a cute little girl. See what this is. Okay, let us be the first to say welcome. We're so excited to welcome you, our new Magic Key holder. This is much awaited to be unlocked within the parks, and we're thrilled to get to see you time and time again at the Disneyland Resort. After all, you now have a key. Take a look at the information below so you can quickly understand your benefits and start enjoying the magic. Thank you again for choosing us to be the place where you create unforgettable memories. So basically, what it comes to is reservation-based admission to one or both parks, discount on select food and merchandise, access to Magic Key Terrace in Disney's California Adventure Park, a celebration view during special Magic Key Holder Month, additional opportunities and special offers only Disney can provide. So, and it also tells you how you can maximize our pass using the Disneyland app. And then it comes with a little magnet. It says Magic Key Disneyland. So yeah, this will go on our fridge. So this is really cute. So it was kind of nice as a family. Like, we didn't just get one pack, we got 3. I think that was a really sweet, nice little gesture. Because, you know, if you bought after Halloween, you don't get all the stuff, but you're paying the same price. So I like the pen. And the key, yeah, I mean, it's just a cute little pack. It's not like over the top or anything. So if you guys would like us to do video on Magic Key, please let us know and comment below. And please like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. So now it's time to say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.